Alright, what's going on, guys? Stone here. Welcome back to another vlog. And we're starting the day off early as hell. 7:35 in the morning. So basically, I'm just going to be running you through my day and how I do it and bringing you guys along. I'm going to be doing some interesting things. So first of all, what I do in the morning when I get up, I'm just going to look through Instagram and all that. So I'll catch you guys when I'm up doing something.
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's 10:11. Alright guys, so it's currently 10:11, and sorry for my hair, by the way, it's all messed up, but here, I can fix that. Hold on. Alright, so it's 10:11, and I just got done watching some Family Guy, going on Amazon Prime. Why is my hat so messed up? What, you see it's like crooked? What the fuck? Anyways, so yeah, I just got done going on Amazon Prime, looking at some posters and stuff in my room for Christmas and stuff, like some Kate Upton posters, some Kendrick Lamar, Eminem and all that shit. So yeah, so basically my sister has some like modeling thing to go to today, and she already left with my mom. I thought my dad was gonna go, and that was when I was gonna rearrange my whole room, do a time lapse of that, show you guys how my room looks now and how it was gonna look later. So that was gonna be a thing, but my dad stayed here. But now I just figured out that he's going to my friend Tim's house, well, his friend's Tim's house, to watch some football. So I'm gonna stay here and do that time lapse and all that for you guys. Alright guys, so hold on, let me put on a shirt first. Alright guys, so basically what we're doing right now is we're gonna move that desk with all that equipment right there into this closet. Literally, look how small it is. We're moving it into this closet, so we gotta move all that and all that. We're gonna move all this out of here. Well, maybe not that, but we're moving a lot of this out. So hopefully I can get a good angle to time lapse. Let's do it.
I got two phones, one for the plug and one for the load. I got two phones, one for the beaches and one for the dough. Think I need two more.
6 hours later.
So yeah, instead of doing a room tour, I'm just gonna give you guys a whole rundown here. Still have to get those cups out of my room. Those cups right there, out of my room. But yep. So I got a little hallway here. We got trash can, my toolbox shoes, and we got my desk all set up in here. The chair, the dustpans not supposed to be there, but yeah, this microphone right here, as you guys saw in the last clip when I was listening to music, this is hooked up to this camera when it's sitting on my Xbox, so that's how I get the good footage for all the, the good audio for all the reaction videos. Then I got another hallway on this side, that's double hallways, and a little nightstand with my baseball bag and my school bag. So instead of just having two hallways just here and over there, I have one there, here, and here, and I can go in the closet. So that's pretty cool. I can work on all sides of my bed, except for this side back here. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. My sister went with my mom at about like 8, some shit like that, to a modeling photo shoot. And they should be back anytime now. I'm bringing you guys outside because my sister decided to get hit by a car and thrown into the median and completely messed the car up. Yeah, that's that. That's that. So that kind of sucks, but yeah, I guess that's life. You get hit by cars. But yeah, can you focus on me? Thanks. Yeah, that's that. I can't even bring my doggy into the vlog today because she's with my dad. I went to my dad's friend's house. So that's that. But I guess thank you guys for watching this short little vlog. If you like this video, like to see more, hit that like button. Let me know down in the comments below what video you want me to do next. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Subscribe for more.